Chapter 1, Nature and Significance of Management, Case Study 4. In an organization, sales department wants to increase the sale by 20%. So, sales department plan to offer extra discounts to customers. Finance department raised objection on it, as they say it will result in loss of revenue and company may face liquidity problem. Name the importance of coordination referred here. Yes, it is functional differentiation. State other two importance of coordination. Other two importance are growth in size and specialization. We would love to hear you in comment section for queries, suggestions and more. Watch more videos on our channel RIFM India. Subscribe us by clicking on subscribe button. Also click bell button. Get notifications as soon as new video is posted.